Jesus. Okay.
Is it started?
It is. Have been live already for 20 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know, Jules. You ain't going nowhere. You're here. You're kidnapped.
Hey, we don't do that here.
So, guys, today we are going to have a 69-day streak on chess. And anyways, so on this podcast, we have Jules, which I'm not sure if we can talk.
I think, yeah, he can't talk actually on here. He's not
yeah,
able.
yeah, he's disabled.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, wait, how do I do this now? Which role is it, Lubas?
It's a live stream. I think it's called something like live stream.
Join permission, something. Okay, wait. Yeah. Right.
I'm in the live stream.
Yo.
Or in the internet.
Internet, yes.
I think we got everything ready.
Can we just play this on repeat the entire stream?
No, please. And we'll have to mute you.
Wait a minute, do they hear
right
it?
Now
out
we're
there?
gonna focus on the actual stream.
They do hear it.
Alright, so we're back. Actually, I know it titled upgrading enemies, but we will actually do that. Maybe I should Vulkan and Zig adding Tracy. Maybe that's...
You're doing so much Vulkan stuff right now.
Yeah. The thumbnail is a bit misleading
Yes.
now. Well,
Clickbait,
upgrading enemies.
clickbait.
Upgrading, adding Tracy. I think that's pretty much what we'll be doing. Mainly. We would like to get to updating the...
Lubas, stream, Discord, yes.
yes.
Please. You have to, otherwise die.
Invalid... Wait, I cannot do.
Invalid union, tag type, yes.
Yes. We'll do this. I think this is fine. Until somebody complains, we'll keep that as the title. Stream on Discord? Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, now...
Wait, Lubas, before you start, I just have a little conspiracy theory I have to show you.
You have to show me. Nah, that's good.
Yeah, okay. You see?
Is this even related to the project? If it's not, I don't really...
Totally.
Is it or is it not?
Is Iron Man related? Then
No.
yes.
No, no. Then I don't really... I want to get on with this
Bro.
thing.
No, it's gonna take 2 seconds.
No, 2 seconds is too
swear.
much anyways.
Bro, 2 seconds for this bit, you know, we got to attract the viewers right now.
Attractive
Yeah.
viewers. Okay, we'll do that. I don't know
Yeah,
if the viewers care
it's,
about that, but we'll try.
No, they do care about this, okay? Because
Okay.
I'm gonna prove that Iron Man is female. Okay?
Do you mean female, like...
And
Okay.
what is Iron? It's Fe, you know. Yes. So
whatever.
yeah.
Okay. And you... That's the great spelling of male, I gotta add.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Anyway.
Now the viewers are attracted.
Yeah. Let's see, what has... because HDRMC added the PR for... Tracy.
HDR huh?
Yeah.
You mean Dune Water?
It's doing Bertel, yes, in disguise.
Yeah, it's just hiding from you.
Yeah, as usual, you wouldn't know what he does. But anyways...
What is this PR, bro?
This PR adds
Why is it so
optional
good?
Tracy profile and
What
support
is-
across the client, server, and shared modules. The goal is to make startup rendering assets, loading, networking physics, and hot reload behavior easier to inspect when profiling is enabled without changing normal builds by default. I also changed the hot reloading so it doesn't hot reload the render anymore on initialization, just changes the update loop. So we should probably remove hot reloadability from init and deinitialization. Because those...
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, because it's no longer needed. The only reason why we had it was for the render, but now I no longer use the render to hot reload because I could apparently I misunderstood how the VMA globals worked with the proc tables. So it's fine so far about everything I have tried, but I think it's also better because it takes a lot of time to destroy and reinitialize the render, so now we'll just keep it persistent in memory and not do that. Hopefully this will be fine. We'll see. So we would just be able to update the update logic, which is fine. And I think that's also a bit clearer. Behavior easier to inspect and profile enabled without changing normal build by default. What changed? Added a Tracy true build option to the client server and shared packets. Added set trace dependency and wired it through a client server and shared modules. Installs Tracy client DLL next to the binary when Tracy profiling is enabled. Added Tracy zones around major runtime paths including client and server startup. Main loop frame marker, Vulkan render setup, update render, renders resize and shut down. GLTF model mesh setup, image decoding, and GPU uploads. Clients and server systems, Steam networking, packets handling, shared asset loading, hot reload, dynamic libraries loading, planet generation, and net serialization. Server physics setup, update. Wait, hold on. Let me do shared asset loading, hot reload, dynamic libraries, planet generation. This one, okay, yeah, and net serialization. Interesting. Server physics setup, update, reload, and body creation destruction. Split Windows positioning into a small platform helper and centered a client window on Windows. Here's the default client window size was way too small on my. Okay. Also notice that the UI doesn't scale with the window size, might be something for the future. Added client Steam, so local Steam startup has the app ID available. ID is public anyway. Improved the Steam client init error log. Through the Steam client with common causes of Steam API init failure made it kind of vague, error more clear. Updated GLTF image loading, so image decoding can happen in parallel. Then image uploads can be recorded through one immediate command path. Small speed for image decoding and uploading. Made GLTF material textures handling more tolerant of optional samplers. He did that, damn! And UV data by falling back to the default where possible. Will crash for models without UVs, which sometimes happens for models that only have vertices colors. Yeah, because I never loaded such a thing. I was like, I will get to it when it gets important. Ensure client entities run their. Ensure client entities runs their dinit. Wait, ensure client entities runs their dinit path when despawned or when world is destroyed. Small reordering of dinit. I actually removed the dinit because the entities never needed that. Testing was tested on Windows 11 system with Intel CPU and even provided that. Let's take a look actually. Can I get the. Where is this one? It's in here. Code review. I want to go in and take a look at that. Wait, let's do this smart now. CD friends. And then I have that one. We will do. Yeah, I think it's the same repo. Git. I don't have anything here. No. Git fetch. And we're gonna get the code review. Damn. Let's see how it runs. Git. Oh. What? Am I dumb? Apparently I'm stupid as fuck. Wait.
Wait, is Harald watching a video on how Zig is getting replaced by Rust? Crazy.
Who is watching that?
Harald.
Harold is, but he's looking to criticize it, that's why.
Okay, I didn't listen, but I mean, Rust is a lot better than Zig, of course. Right? It's amazing.
Nah, bruh. I think Rust is though, like, it actually has a stable release. Zig doesn't even have that right now, so.
Yeah, I mean, Rust is, I guess, a little bit older, but.
They're actually the same age, I think. if I remember correctly.
Really?
Hey yo,
Do
what's
they?
up, baby? Yeah, they are the same age. Wait, Rust release or like start date. Sig start date. Not release because Sig hasn't. Maybe I don't know. Rust the game, bruh. Programming language.
Yeah, Sig is from 2016, but I think Rust is like 2012.
Rust was, it was a personal project for 2006. I'm stupid. But stable was yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, it is older. My bad. I was lying. But they had some similar roots. If it was not the date, maybe it was the same philosophy. I don't remember. They started from a similar root, like idea, if I understood correctly. Then Odin.
I mean, Sig
started.
and Rust are similar, but I think Rust is winning because the ecosystem is bigger.
Actually,
my
like Rust has a big ecosystem, but Sig is growing quite exponentially right now. Like it's just younger, but it's taking up speed.
Yeah, I mean, both are good languages, better than C++ or whatever.
Well, Rust is more a replacement of C++. Sig is not competing. It's competing more with C than with C++.
Yeah, both are better than any predecessor, so...
Well, I think C is still pretty cool. But I still prefer Sig. It's kind of weird, but... damn. Actually, it's still the end thing that just matters is like, what do you want to create? Like, if I were to do a simple like web scraper, I would probably, depends on how fast I want to get it done. I would just use Python, honestly. I wouldn't even bother trying to do it with anything else. Maybe it depends on the end goal, but yeah. I was created by Ginger Bill Hall in late July. The program began one evening in 2006 after I became frustrated with the programming in C++. It started as a Pascal clone, but quickly evolved into C-like system. Yeah. It's usually that's how programming language starts. Somebody gets frustrated by some... That's even how C++ actually started. What is his name? Björn Sturstrom, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, even though I should know how to pronounce that. But... so it was C with classes. Yeah, C++ was C with classes, but it was literally just he wanted a little bit more abstraction but with the same low-level accessibility, and he couldn't get that with C, and then anything else that existed was too high level. So yeah, or was it too high?
Yeah, I mean, a programming language is usually to fix in some sort of issue.
Yeah.
But like Python, like I hate Python. Like it's so abstracted from everything, you can't even call it programming, in my opinion.
Yeah, no, that I agree with also. Like it's more like writing actual text than it's programming.
Yeah, I mean, you only tell pre-written code to do something, and that's like a sequence.
Yeah.
But you don't write anything yourself, because if you were to write it yourself, then it would be slow as fuck.
Yeah. Casey has a 2-hour video about it, where this mistake was created, where OOP went wrong in it. I think I have seen it. Is it from Better Conference? Wait, isn't it? Or is it actually its own video? Better Software Conference. Wait, Better Conference. Here, the big oops. Yes, it's such a great channel, this thing. I really hope that they're gonna do more stuff, because they're so good. I really like it.
Interesting. I gotta check it out sometime. I mean, I would really...
I will send it in
like to learn
over
more about
Discord. It's going there in a month. Yes, so everyone is coming again. Sure! I hope they will have something like... I think this one was really good. This one was so freaking awesome. I love this one. This one I was also like hyped about, but like when it's coming to Linux. This one was just about the oops object-oriented programming, and then this one was about how tear down the game you do their voxel physics and also how he's doing it now with Vulkan. He used OpenGL for the old game. This one is a debugger. This one was more Windows specific, but like this is such a freaking cool debugger, and I'm actually waiting on to use. I have seen friends who use it on Windows, and I'm like so jealous that it doesn't exist on Linux. Dennis is crazy. There you have Ginger Bill Odin creator video after that one. Wait, which one? Ah, this one. I think I didn't watch. I'm sorry. Did I watch this whole thing or did I not? I'm not sure. I think I wasn't that into the math stuff, honestly.
Okay.
This one was also pretty interesting. And this one, yeah, compiler optimization. Of course, Eskil is also. You just gotta listen to the man because he thinks smart stuff. That's all I'm gonna say.
All right, interesting. I mean, like especially with memory, I'm more interested in it than I was previously. I mean, I was a big Java user for the most part.
Yeah.
Which I'm not anymore. I wanna get away from that. So.
Yeah. No, Java it's very big like used in the industry, but I think it's also like it's so dumb that you actually need a class in order to have a main. Like it's like what the okay, I think Java 25 kind of introduced that you can just have a main without a class, but it's still like
they're making it even less object oriented. I mean, it's crazy to think about it. Like the language is so object oriented that you even have to break the principle by calling the main method statically, you know. But yeah, it's a dumb language, honestly. I mean, I like it. It's easy to make stuff with it.
Yeah, that's true.
It's reasonably fast too. But
yeah, C# also is. They're quite like they're almost siblings. Like, weird, oddly enough, C# and Java. Wait, is this one actually running? Did I pull? Am I on the right shit? Hit pull. I'm not sure. It feels weird. Let me take a look. The sun. There is Tracy, so this one should be. There is. Well. Let's see. Zig build run. Was it dash Tracy equals true? And of course the flag comes after, or like there. Okay, I actually have no idea. What the fuck? What is it? Wait, let me read that.
But I mean, it isn't Tracy an environment variable?
D Tracy, my bad.
Okay.
And it's lowercase, like that. Let's see how this runs. I have no idea. I'm really excited to see this. I should have probably like some cheat sheet on how to use Tracy. Well, I don't know how this works. Zig build dash D Tracy equals true. It's I think it's defining though, so it's making it like it's defining the Tracy. I think is that what dash D stands for in Zig? I have no idea. What does the dash D stand for? Okay, I don't know, am I supposed to get something up or is it after I close the application? Zig programming language D flag used to pass options to the build system. But what does it stand for defined? Does it stand for define? Well, that one is answering. Let's try this thing out. Yes, in context of Zig build system, D stands for define. I'm not quite sure how am I supposed to. This one is still using the old system. Yeah, that's true then. But I don't know. Is it on exit? When do I get the actual? Tracy. Profiler. Real time blah 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 blah. But how do I actually run the application with this thing? How do I run Tracy with? Is there's no an introduction to Tracy profile? Damn, an hour video, yeah. Let's see, let's just get the quick answer from here. Unless if I can actually find it some... Okay, it's loading, still loading. Okay, we got the answer. Tracy gate behind each build option default off, build that with it on, and then run and open Tracy GUI. From client, drop Zig